Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Biology Objective Past Question 47. So you have this diagram which is an illustration of a cross between plants. And now the question is, the process that gave rise to the F1 generation is A. Self-fertilization, B. Cross-fertilization, C. Outbreeding, D. Test cross. Now option A, which is self-fertilization, means the fusion of two gametes from one individual or one organisms, such as what is seen in self-pollination. Now option B is cross-fertilization, and it is fertilization involving gametes, fusion of gametes from two different organisms. Option C, which is outbreeding, refers to breeding between individuals from different populations, species, or subspecies. And option D, which is test cross, involves breeding of an individual with a phenotypically recessive individual to determine the zygosity of the former of this first individual, to determine whether it is homozygous or heterozygous. So from these definitions we have given, what gave rise to this generation, this F1 generation here, is the process of cross-fertilization, because you can see two different organisms, organism A individual or organism B, and the gametes from both of them were fused, and you have this F1 generation, which consists of genes from two different organisms. So the process that gave rise to these two, or the F1 generation, is cross-fertilization, which is option B. Option B is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.